Ford may be about to do what many American buyers thought it forgot how to do: build exciting vehicles that still make sense. After killing most sedans, watching pickup prices climb like luxury SUVs, and facing backlash over expensive EVs, Ford's 2027 plan looks like a serious course correction. We're talking a possible off-road Mustang, factory-built Bronco muscle, a Taurus comeback, a revived Ranchero, and a $30,000 electric pickup. Some are confirmed, others remain strong industry chatter, but the strategy is clear. Ignite your engines. You're on the grid with Motor Maven, because Ford's next move could change everything. Number 5. The Mustang Raptor could rewrite the muscle car rulebook. The rumored Mustang Raptor is one of Ford's most surprising 2027 ideas, blending classic Mustang muscle with serious off-road capability. Instead of focusing only on pavement, drag strips, and track handling, this version would reportedly be built for rough roads, gravel, desert-style driving, and broken surfaces. Expected features include all-wheel drive, long travel suspension, Fox Live valve dampers, and an automatic transmission. The biggest headline is the possible supercharged V8, producing around 700 horsepower, giving it traditional Mustang attitude with Raptor-style toughness. It likely would not be cheap or universally loved, especially by purists, but that may be the strategy. A Mustang Raptor would spark debate, grab attention, and give Ford massive buzz. But Ford's off-road strategy may not stop with a wild Mustang experiment. If the Mustang Raptor is the headline grabber, the next model could be the one that makes serious trail buyers pay closer attention. Number 4. The Bronco RTR adds trail muscle straight from the factory. The 2027 Bronco RTR looks like a practical and believable addition to Ford's off-road lineup because the Bronco already has serious trail credibility. Ford's work with Vaughn Gittin Jr. and RTR could shift from dealer-style upgrades to a more factory-integrated package, saving buyers from spending thousands after purchase on tires, suspension, steering, cooling, and appearance mods. Expected equipment includes a 2.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, 10-speed automatic transmission, RTR tuning, stronger steering components, improved cooling, Bilstein shocks, 33-inch all-terrain tires, and optional 35-inch tires with Fox internal bypass dampers. It offers Bronco Raptor attitude at a lower price, with Hyper-Lime accents, beadlock-capable wheels, graphics, and a wider stance. So Ford may be chasing the dirt with the Mustang Raptor and Bronco RTR, but the 2027 conversation is not only about lifted suspension and trail tires. The bigger surprise is that Ford may also be looking back at a body style many American buyers thought the company had abandoned. Number 3. The Taurus could revive Ford's practical sedan play. Ford Taurus could be Ford's unexpected answer to buyers who no longer want only trucks, SUVs, crossovers, or the Mustang. With fuel costs, insurance premiums, and monthly payments rising, a practical sedan could make sense again for commuters and families who prefer lower ride height, easier parking, and better efficiency. The Taurus name still lives globally, and Ford already sells a modern version overseas with sharper styling, updated technology, efficient powertrains, and a fresher cabin. A U.S. return has not been confirmed, but the strategy is logical. A revived Taurus could offer comfort, value, and modern features without forcing buyers into expensive SUV territory. It may not be flashy, but it could be one of Ford's smartest 2027 moves overall yet. And that is where Ford's possible reset gets interesting. After off-road muscle and sedan practicality, the next two models focus on something buyers have been shouting about for years: affordability, utility, and vehicles that actually make sense for everyday life. Before we hit the top two, let's make a quick pit stop. If you enjoy sharp vehicle updates, future model breakdowns, and straight-to-the-point automotive insight, hit that like button and subscribe to Motor Maven. It helps us reach more auto aficionados just like you, and it keeps you plugged into the next big moves across the industry. Now, let's shift gears and roll into the model that could bring back one of Ford's most practical, old-school ideas. Number 2. The Ranchero comeback could fix America's small truck gap. Ford Ranchero could return as a smart answer to America's growing small truck problem. The original Ranchero combined car-like driving with pickup utility, making it useful without being oversized. That idea feels relevant again as full-size trucks become larger and more expensive. The Maverick already proved buyers want efficient, affordable pickups, but its rising price leaves room for something simpler below it. A modern Ranchero could serve weekend projects, small businesses, camping trips, gardening, furniture runs, and DIY hauling without F-150 size or costs. Ford could keep it practical with durable materials, efficient engines, clever cargo solutions, and possibly a hybrid option. If priced correctly, the Ranchero could reconnect Ford with everyday buyers wanting honest, affordable utility. But even a revived Ranchero would only solve part of the affordability puzzle. If Ford really wants to shake up the market, the biggest move may not be another gas-powered truck at all. It could be an electric pickup built for buyers who have been priced out of the EV conversation. Number 1. Ford's $30,000 electric pickup could be the real game changer. Ford's 2027 affordable electric pickup could be the brand's biggest game changer because it tackles the EV market's toughest barrier, price. While electric trucks like the F-150 Lightning generated excitement, rising costs made them harder for regular buyers to justify. Ford's new lower-cost EV strategy aims to change that with a mid-size electric pickup targeting around $30,000. To reach that price, Ford may use smarter packaging, fewer parts, faster production, and lithium iron phosphate battery technology. A smaller EV truck could serve commuters, families, small businesses, delivery workers, and weekend adventurers who want truck utility without full-size costs. While other 2027 models may grab attention, this affordable EV pickup could attract the widest audience. And when you put all 5 pieces together, the bigger picture becomes clear. Ford may be trying to rebuild its lineup around excitement, practicality, and affordability at the same time, something buyers have been waiting to see for years. Final verdict: Ford may be planning its boldest reset in years. This is what makes Ford's 2027 strategy so important. It looks like a course correction. Buyers want more than oversized trucks and expensive EVs. They want variety, value, and utility that actually makes sense in the real world. If Ford delivers even most of this lineup correctly, 2027 could become the year the brand finally feels bold, practical, and exciting again. Now I want to hear from you. Which Ford model would you be most excited to see in 2027? The Mustang Raptor, Bronco RTR, Taurus, Ranchero, or the $30,000 electric pickup? And do you think Ford should focus more on affordable gas-powered vehicles, hybrids, or full EVs moving forward? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss out on the latest vehicle updates from Motor Maven. Appreciate you riding along with us. If you thought the 2027 Ford lineup was impressive, wait until you see the next vehicles we're covering. Tap one of the videos on your screen right now and keep the adventure going with Motor Maven.